Hello, good morning everyone. Today we, we are discussing an important educational topic, hazardous waste management, especially how it's handled by a professional and how we as individuals can manage hazardous waste in our daily life. This topic was chosen because hazardous waste is often found not only in industry but also around our home. Yet many people are not aware of the risk or proper handling methods. To help us understand this issue better, we are joined by Dia, an employee at PPLI Persada Komunal Limbah Industri, a company special in treatment and management hazardous and toxic waste in Indonesia. With her professional experience in handling industrial hazardous waste, Dia has valuable insight to both large-scale waste management system and safe practice that can be applied by the public. Dia, thank you for joining us. To begin, could you explain what hazardous waste or B3 waste is and why is dangerous?
Hello, thank you for having me. B3 waste refer to hazardous and toxic waste that can harm human health and the environment if not managed properly. It may be flammable, corrosive, reactive, or toxic. The example includes chemical residue, used oil, contaminated materials, battery, and certain medical or laboratory waste. Improper disposal can lead to soil, water, and air pollution.
How does people manage hazardous waste from industry?
At PPLI, hazardous waste management follows strict procedure. The process starts from waste identification and classification, followed by safe packaging, transportation using licensed vehicle, and treatment at specialized facility. Depending on the type of waste, we may use methods such as stabilization, incineration, secure landfill, or recycling. Everything is done according to environmental regulation to ensure the waste no longer poses a danger.
Why is professional treatment necessary for industrial hazardous waste?
Industrial hazardous waste often contains complex chemical substances that require advanced technology and strict monitoring. Without proper facilities and trained personnel, handling this waste could cause serious accident or long-term environment damage. That is why companies must work with licensed waste management providers like PPLI.
Many people think hazardous waste only come from factory. Can you give example of B3 waste found in household?
Yes, hazardous waste also exists at home. For example, include used battery, fluorescent lamp, leftover paint, electronic waste, expired medicine, pesticide, and container used cooking oil in large quantity. This item contains chemicals that should not be thrown away with regular household waste.
How should people manage hazardous waste in their daily life?
First, separate hazardous waste from regular trash. Do not burn or pour chemical into drains. Store items like used battery, lamps, or electronics safely until they can be taken to designated collection point or recycling center. Public awareness and responsible behavior are key to reducing environmental risks.
And what role does education play in improved hazardous waste management?
Education is very important. When people understand the risks of hazardous waste, they are more likely to handle it properly. Education also encourages industry and community to support sustainable waste management practice and environment protection.
Okay, from this discussion, it is clear the hazardous waste management is not only the responsibility of industry and waste management company, but also of individuals. Dia explains so that professional systems like those at PPLE are essential to safely treat industrial waste. While simple action at home such as separating and properly disposing of hazardous material can significantly reduce environmental harm. What stood out me personally is how often we underestimate the impact of small household waste like a battery, expired medicine, and electronic device. Before this interview, I thought hazardous waste mostly an industrial issue. Now, I realize the everyday habit at home can either contribute to environmental damage or help prevent it. Yeah, insight made me more aware the environmental responsibility start from simple action, such as not mixing hazardous items with regular trash and supporting proper waste collection program. In conclusion, hazardous B3 waste management is crucial part of protecting human health and the environment. Companies like PPLI play a vital role in safely treatment industrial hazardous waste using proper technology and regulation. At the same time, community must also be aware the hazardous waste exists in everyday life and should be handled responsibly. Through education, cooperation, and proper system, we can create a cleaner and safer environment for everyone.